and welcome back to the tutorial series of Subject Operating System. This series is helpful for the students of Computer and IT stream. I am Manali Kavde from LJ Polytechnic. In previous session, we have discussed about file related commands like how to compare between two files. Then after we have discussed how to find out differences between the files line by line. Then after we have seen how to find out unique and common contents between two files. If you have not yet watched that video, then do watch that video. You will find link for the same in below description box. Today we are going to see filter commands, that is how to limit number of lines to show on standard output screen. The command which we are going to see today is the head command. Head command is a command line utility for outputting the first part of the files given to it via standard input. It writes the result to standard output. Then after we will see second command, that is the tail command. The tail command is command line utility for outputting the last part of the file given to it via standard input. Both these commands are a filter related commands, as it filters the content and then displays the output. We will see filter commands in Linux. So for that, I will create one file named as demo. How to create a file in Linux, that I have already discussed in my previous video. I will enter contents into this file. As you can see, I have entered 15 lines into this file. Now we will see the command, that is head command. This command is used to print first 10 lines of given file. Syntax for this command is head space, you have to mention file name. So here I will write head space the file which I have created, that is demo. I will write down that file name and then press enter. So as you can see, it displays first 10 lines from demo file. Now in this command, if I want to display some specific number of lines, then I will use n option with head command, where n stands for number of lines to be displayed. I will write down head hyphen 5 space file name. So here it will display first 5 lines from demo file, as you can see over here. So in this manner, if you want to display any specific number of lines from your file, you have to mention that number with head command. So this command is used to display first 10 lines from mentioned file. Second command which we will see is the tail command. Again, this command is filter related command, and this command is used to print last 10 lines of mentioned file. Syntax for this command is you have to write down tail space file name. So here I will write down tail and the previous file which I have created, that is demo. I will write down that file name and then press enter. So as you can see over here, it displays last 10 lines from demo file. Now in this command, if I want to display specific number of lines, then I will use -n option similar to the head command. That means if I want to display last 8 lines from specific file, I will write down tail -8 space, mention the file name, that is demo. So here as you can see, it will display last 8 lines from the demo file. Now we will see some practice questions related to this command. First question is, write a command to create a file named as file1 and enter minimum 15 lines into it. How to create a file that we have discussed in our previous tutorial. Second question is, write a command to print first 12 lines of file named as file1. Next question is, write a command to display last lines from the file named as file1. Fourth question is, write a command to print last 10 lines from file named as file1. And the last question is, write a command to print first 10 lines from file named as file1. So this was all about today's session. In today's session, we have discussed about two filter commands of Linux OS, that is the head command and the second one is the tail command. Head command will output the first part of the file, whereas the tail command will print the last part of the file. Both this command will write the result to standard output screen. In next session, we will see few more filter commands of Linux operating system. If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe this channel. Click on the bell icon for future notification. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video.